Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Currently, I'm looking at a market where the S&P's down 1.5, the NASDAQ down 18, and the Dow up 27. A couple of stocks I looked at today. Let's take it right to the charts. First one was Palo Alto Networks, PANW. And the first thing I want to show everybody is what I saw on the chart yesterday before earnings is a sign that maybe this stock is not ready for prime time yet, and that is this awesome looking H pattern that I drew in here. And remember, an H pattern is very bearish. Measured move is basically from the top of the hump to the bottom of the hump. In this case, it was $6. And earnings came out, and the stock tumbled to 47 after hours. And let's see what it did today so far. We see this bar right here. It's right in the middle of its down move. So it could go up, it could go down from here. But looking at the 5-minute, let me just show you a couple of places where we could have gotten short and actually did and made some money. First place is right here on this nice looking bear flag on the 5-minute. Okay, so I shorted here, made a little down to the low of the day. And then the second time to short it was right when it broke through the low of the day, 48.50. And look where it went to. From 48.50, it went straight down to the new low of the day, 47.63, where it seems like it found a little bit of support, and now it's retesting this first breakdown area here. Might have a move this afternoon to the downside, but again, not too sure which way this thing's going to go. The nook and crannies of the trade is done. Now I'm just going to wait and see if there's any type of setup for the afternoon trade. Obviously, everybody's keeping an eye on Apple, and Apple set up a nice 5-minute H pattern today when it couldn't really get through 541, broke new lows, got as low as 533. Target on this is 530 at worst, at least for this thing, probably before the end of the day. I didn't really make any trades in Apple today, but I'm just letting you guys know the potential for this thing to fall again, and makes that 505 possible capitulation area a little more on the dangerous side now. It's, the stock is not really maintaining any sort of bounce and holding. So with that in mind, guys, keep that going into next week. And the last stock I want to talk about, I'm currently long options in, is Monster. And again, I've been talking about this for the better part of this week. Again, you had your big move up on Goldman News and very small bars right here on the daily and a couple tails telling me that they're still buying this thing as long as it holds $50. So I'm going to take some options in the next week, see what happens. But I have a feeling if we get through this 53.19, we're going to see 56 sooner than later. So with that, gang, everybody have a great weekend. I will talk to you all in the BTF, and good luck trading the rest of the day, gang.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.